Stop. Do not throw those scissors away. Just because they may be a little sticky or gummy and it makes it difficult to cut your papers doesn't mean that they're ready for the trash. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. I cannot tell you how many pairs of scissors have seen the inside of my garbage bin due to the fact that they had become gummy, sticky, and impossible to cut with. Whether it was from, just regular glue or a glue stick or foam tape, double-sided tape, you name it, I've used it and cut through it using my scissors. Only to discover, and this isn't recently, but I want to make sure that those who are not aware that you're made aware of it. Only to discover that this little glue eraser will save you from having to discard those gooked up scissors. So in my case, these scissors, if you've seen me in the last 2 years of videos, you've seen this pair of scissors, this exact pair of scissors. Now these would be my good scissors, but I've been able to keep these because of this little cube right here. Now this is actually called the Crafter's Square Glue and Residue Eraser. It's also called a pickup rubber cement eraser, adhesive eraser cube. It just depends on where you find it or what store is carrying it. But bottom line is, it's used to, much like you would an eraser when taking off pencil from a paper, but you would take glue off of a surface. And so in our case, we would want to remove the glue from our scissors like so. Now I'm going to say this is something you want to be very cautious with, because as you're going up and down the side of this blade, the front of the blade or the inside of the blade, you don't want to cut yourself. So you want to be very careful when you do that. And as you remove the glue from the inside of the blade, what it does is it frees it up to open and shut much more easily. And the last thing that you want to do to continue to be able to use your scissors is to get them sharpened at least once a year. Now, I haven't had to do that because these scissors, I'm using them for paper. If I was using them for fabric, I obviously would want to make sure that they were extremely sharp so that I could have an accurate cut and wouldn't snag my fabrics, right? But for the purpose of using them for paper, they don't need to be sharpened that often, just when you feel that you need to. So with that being said, I hope that has inspired you guys to, this little thing is about $1 to $2 wherever you find it. Grab one of these so that you don't have to continue to grab many of these. $2, $5. You get the point. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip and this little piece of advice helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you have not already done so that you don't miss any of the additional uploads containing crafts, tips, and tricks and hacks. All right. And for those who are returning, thanks so much for coming back and for sharing these types of tips. Until we're back here together on Patreon and YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.